Hi, I want to talk to you today about step ladders. Always make sure you have the right ladder for the job that you are going to do. Always make sure you follow manufacturer's recommendation. Always, when you are going to use a step ladder, make sure you inspect the ladder before you use. Place the ladder in an area where all feet have a secure and level footing. Always position the ladder near your work to avoid overreaching. Always face the ladder when moving up or down. Always have 3 points contact with the ladder. Never stand on the top step or very top of the step ladder.